Homework number 1. In the first one, it is a trivial program. You will read a starting number x and ending number y, and you will print all the numbers between x and y. Number here will be integers. So if the input is 3 to 7, you will print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fair enough. In the second program, you will read an integer n and the string s, and then you will repeat s n times as below. For example, if you read 5 and the high, you will print high, 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 high. Remember, we can do that easily with the strings by itself. We can multiply high times 5 and that's all. But I would like to do that using loops. In this program, we are going to print a triangle like the one that we did in the practice, but this time the triangle will be face down angled triangle this way. Finally, we are going to extend the program that we did before. You will read an integer n, then you will read n numbers. Every number of them is on a separate line. After that, you will print two values. The first one is the average of numbers in odd positions, and then the second one is the average of the numbers in even positions. So if these are our 6 numbers here, then we will print 20, which is the summation of 10 and 20 and 30, and so on. That's all.